Hello, good afternoon. My name is Haikal Aditya Putra Drino and my name is 3021210168 and I am a law student at Universitas Pancasila. This afternoon, allow me to present for the UOP Class C final exam grade. The topic I will discuss is about the government system in Indonesia. The government system in Indonesia. Definition of government system. The government system is defined as a comprehensive arrangement consisting of various government components that work interdependently and influence each other in achieving the goals and functions of the government. Montesquieu theory. The powers in a state, according to Montesquieu, are classified into three, namely the executive power, which means the power to execute laws or the power to administer the government. Legislative power, which means the power to formulate law, and judicial power, which means the power to adjudicate violations of the law. These components broadly include executive, legislative, and judicial institutions. Thus, the government system of a country depicts the existence of state institutions, the relationships between state institutions, and the functioning of state institutions, and in achieving the goals of the respective government. There are three systems of government. The one is parliamentary system of governments. Number two is presidential system of governments, and the last one is mixed system of governments. Parliamentary system of government. Based on the principle of the separations of powers, there is collective accountability between the executive head and the cabinet or ministers to the parliament. The executive head must resign if they do not obtain majority support from the legislature, and conversely, the executive head can request the head of the state dissolve the legislature and organize general elections. The executive head is chosen by the head of the state with the majority support from legislature. And presidential system of government. The principle of the separations of powers exists. There is no collective accountability between the executive head and the cabinet. Instead, ministers are accountable to the executive head or president. The president cannot dissolve Congress, and conversely, Congress cannot dissolve the executive head. If the executive head fails to secure majority support from Congress, they cannot resign. Thus, philosophically, legislative and executive powers are distinctly separated. The executive head is elected by an electoral college. And mixed system of government. The mixed government system is basically a combination of the presidential system of government and the parliamentary system of government. The government system of the Indonesian state based on the 1945 constitutions after amendments. Currently, the governance system in Indonesia is still in a transitional period before the implementation of the new governance system based on the Fourth Amendment of the 1945 Constitution in 2002. Indonesia's governance system still relied on the 1945 constitutions with several changes in line with the transitions towards the new governance system. The new governance system is expected to be fully operational starting in 2004 after the 2004 general elections. The fundamental principles of the Indonesian government system are as follows. A unitary state with the principle of extensive regional autonomy. The country's territory is divided into several provinces, and the form of government is a republic with a presidential system of government. This government systems also incorporates elements from the parliamentary system and introduce reforms to address the weaknesses present in the presidential system. Some variations of the presidential government system in Indonesia are as follows. And the conclusion is thus there are new changes in the Indonesian government system aimed at improving the old presidential system. These changes include direct elections, a bicameral system, checks and balances mechanism, and granting greater power to the parliaments for oversights and budgetary functions. And that's all I can present about the government system in Indonesia. I apologize if there were any mistakes in my words. Thank you.